out viruses? No. So now you understand what you can and can't filter out in the wilderness. What's the most important thing to be able to filter out when you're in Yosemite National Park? You bet. Good. Any questions so far? No? Okay. I'm going to be asking you this stuff every day. Let's get to this. This is going to be your hardest exam. That's exam number 3. Very difficult exam. I'm going to teach you what you need to know. You'll be fine if you do what I tell you to do. I'm going to talk to you about epidemiology and public health. I'm going to teach you about food, dairy, and aquatic microbiology. When it comes to food microbiology, what do you suppose we should talk about? We should talk about how to make blood. Go ahead. Waste of time.
Food safety?
Oh, the food safety is a waste of time when we're getting to what I'm talking about here. And granted, by the way, food safety does come under public health, and I'm going to talk about something. I got 2 friends that love their jobs, going around to restaurants and making sure that they're up to the appropriate standards. Food microbiology. We could use yeast, sugar. Want to give me a clue? Beer. Good name, right there. What else can we make? Did you say yogurt?
Moonshine?
Okay. But we're going to talk about how that happens. And then how about wine? Right? So we need microbiology in order to make beer and wine. And also in order to be able to do things like a distillation process for things like gin and bourbon and vodka, right? That's part of this class, really. This is the fun part. Agricultural microbiology. I'm actually going to take agricultural microbiology and biotechnology and teach you that we can do things like take plants and bacterium and we can combine them in such a way that we have plants that are going to be much more productive, or plants that aren't going to be disturbed by insecticides or herbicides or certain types of insects. I know these are genetically modified organisms and you don't like them, do you? I take it you're not going to like the Cuban cigars that I like to smoke on Sunday. But those are organic. Let's talk about this picture right here. Talk about why this class is, you already know why this class is relevant, right? It's about infectious disease, especially at the hospital level, right? Okay? This is it. This is a pretty important thing. This is a fossilized cell, and a lot of people will argue and maintain that this is a fossilized bacterium. You know where this came from?